Hey y'all, so I just took out my tribal braids and sewing. So this is how we're looking now. There's a little bit of buildup up here because I used Murray's Edge Wax for the braid. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out. Today I'm showing you guys my wash and go trick. Design Essentials sent me their natural hairline, Almond and Avocado, so I'm gonna try it out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the shampoo. They call it the Sulfate-Free shampoo. And I instantly like that it has a pump. So let's get started. Immediately I smelled like an apple scent. It was really easy to spread through my hair. Let me just massage up here because I know there's a lot of buildup up here. I can't see it under the suds, but I saw it before I rinsed my hair. I didn't have a lot of shedding by just rinsing my hair out. It smells really nice, like it's like an apple scent. So it's really easy to wash your hair right now and set up. The suds feel really soft on my hair and in my hands, and it feels like I'm getting a good wash. I heard that when your hair suds up a lot, that means it's clean, and when it doesn't set up a lot, that means you need to rinse it out and try again. Like you need to do another round of shampoo until your hair is clean. So I'm gonna rinse this out with warm water and let's see how it feels after. My hair felt clean. It felt clean afterwards. It even had a little squeak when I felt it, so I was good there. It was like no more buildup or anything. So now we're moving on to the conditioner, and it has a pump. Yay. I already put some around the perimeter of my hair over the tub, so like after I rinsed out the shampoo, I then put conditioner on all over the perimeter, and it's like holding in all the water. So I don't put a towel on my head whenever, like in between rinses, I don't put a towel on my head, and that's to just keep the hydration of the curls, you know, because I feel like the towel is unnecessary unless there's something going in my eye, like water going in my eye. But other than that, I don't towel dry my hair anymore. So now I'm going to section up my hair to apply the conditioner all over. So I usually do these big 3 sections, 1, 2, and 3. Then I like to start in the front, the side first usually, and then I just take out a row. I do it in like 3 sections. So I section out this row. I don't even need that much for this section, but yeah, this is the conditioner. So I might have some tangles because my hair was cornrow. It usually gets like that when it's cornrow for like a week or so. So I'm just going to rake it through, making sure I get it on the root, pulling out any shedded hairs. Always want to go up to the root, and these are all the shedded hairs that just came out that one section. So as you can see, it's really easy to spread through this section, the size section I chose. Of course, you can use a smaller section if you want. And it feels like it's being soaked into the hair and it's not just sitting on top, because you know there are some conditioners that sit on top of the hair. Those are the ones that you want to stay away from because they don't really serve your hair. You want it to soak into the hair. The way you can tell it's being soaked into the hair is when the hair starts clumping together and it's no longer frizzy. That's how you know it's soaking in. There's the shedding from that section, all from my fingers. So this conditioner smells really good. It's like the same scent as the shampoo, kind of like an apple scent or like a pear scent. More like apple, and it smells really good. It's called Almond and Avocado, and this is their line for natural hair. There we go. Yep, my curls are clumping right up. So I got 2 pumps for this section. Be careful not to overuse your conditioner also. You don't want to use too much and waste your money. Sometimes our hair doesn't need all of that. It just needs a little bit per section. So I got 5 pumps for this one. Usually near the crown section where my hair is like crazy with the shedded hairs. Alright, last section. I got 5 pumps again. Alright, now let's do the back. This row doesn't need that much. This row is like always already detangled. the last section, the delicate section. If you feel like your hair like dried out at this point up top, just add some water to your hand with the conditioner in it, warm water, and then hurry up and smooth it on. Can y'all see? Alright, so I'm done with the conditioner. My bangs are no longer bangs now, as you can see. They probably will be when my hair dries, but it says allow it to sit up to 3 minutes. Done. Oh no, you didn't. Okay, while it's sitting, I'm gonna just clean up. Alright, so now I'm just gonna rinse this out with warm water and then come back. So again, I was over the tub, I rinsed out my conditioner, then I put on the leave-in conditioner all around my perimeter just to soak up the water. I want to have a bang. I'm going to rub on some leave-in conditioner all over this part first. So this is the leave-in conditioner. It has like a cotton candy apple scent, different from the other two. Okay, so I sectioned out my bang. To do my curl defining technique, I'm gonna moisturize first and then twist the section. And I'm gonna just twist up all of my head. So this whole section, I'm gonna split into half, just smoothing it on. So this leave-in conditioner has a very light consistency, definitely on the thin side. I can still detangle with it using the brush, and it does feel like it's soaking into the hair. From my experience with lightweight products that are like light consistency, the dry end results are voluminous. But we'll see how this one goes. So I like how moisturized the roots look here. That's a good sign. Okay, so I'm done the bang section, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the back, then come back. Okay, so my twists are done. So I'm gonna let them air dry, and they're gonna dry overnight. Okay, hey y'all, it is not the next day, but the day after, because I didn't feel like taking out my twist. But my hair is still soft from the leave-in conditioner. Time to do the curl defining trick. I wanna do like the bottom twist first, and then the top one, so like they lay on top. So I got all the twists in the middle. I'm gonna pin them up. And now I have all the twists on the bottom out. Okay, I'm gonna start with the back ones first. It's broken. So I went to the hair store. I bought the cheapest mousse I saw in the hair store compared to all the others. I figured I was just gonna take the lid from this one and put it on top of this one. But I think there are empty mousse bottles on Amazon. So I'll look into that and maybe I'll buy one just in case this happens again. Okay, so this one actually is a good match. Screw right on. Yep, works good. So I'm gonna take out the twist. There's two sections, of course. So I'm gonna take the mousse. It has like that pear scent again. I'm gonna smooth it up the ends. Then I'm gonna take it, separate it, and coil the ends using the mousse. Now this is the first time I'm doing this with mousse, so we'll see how it turns out. So again, I broke the mousse cap on my bottle. That was just my mistake. It probably like dropped or something. So I'm gonna take one half of the twist, smooth the mousse on the ends, and then take the ends and coil them. Of course, doing one at a time, take your time. I'm not going all the way up because I found that my hair will dry faster if I do it like midpoint, and my hair will stay soft. I'm gonna go ahead and keep doing the perimeter of my head, doing all the twists around the perimeter first. I just think it's easier that way. None of the twists are in the way, like hanging. And the bottom can be defined, and then the top can just lay nicely on top. So So with this method, basically you're getting a stretch wash and go. The twist that I did, stretch the hair into the twist pattern, and then of course I'm defining the ends. That part's gonna shrink up, but the part up top near the roots will not shrink up. It smells really good. I like the apple pear scent, whatever scent it is. The good thing about most mousse is that most of them don't give you a cast, but they still give you your curls. There's one mousse I tried that made my hair white. That was like 2 years ago. I was like, don't use this product. A section is like really thick. Make sure you use a little more mousse than normal. Okay, and here you can see the ends of my twist. This means I definitely need a trim. I know I need a trim, but like this is embarrassing. How dare I even try to define it right now too. But I'll be trimming them soon. I'll be trimming them in an upcoming video. I think it's gonna be a mini twist video. Okay, so now I can do the rest and they'll just fall on top. Trying to make sure I lay the twist right. For real, this is really the only curly hair routine I want to do from now on. Like, I want to make this my signature, my go-to. It's more defined than just the regular twist out, and it also dries quickly. Like, it doesn't stay wet for long, especially if I would do this like in the morning or before I leave out. I know my hair is going to air dry, especially if I leave out the house. And I also know my hair is going to be moisturized up at the root because I only use a moisturizer to twist with. Ooh, y'all can see I need a trim. Okay, so I'm done shingling. Already like 50% dry, but yeah, so I'm gonna let it air dry. I'll come back to y'all in an hour, give y'all an update, and I'll come back tomorrow. And I want to show y'all the new bonnet I brought that's really nice. It stays on my head. It's satin lined and it's from Amazon, and I like. So yeah, I'll see y'all in an hour. Hey y'all, it's like 2 hours later. My hair is completely dry now. It looks so good. It feels so soft in the middle and the curls are defined. Yeah, so I actually like the mousse way because it dries way faster than the gel way. I'm gonna put my bonnet on. This is a new bonnet I got from Amazon.com, and it is satin lined and it has ties so that you can tie the bonnet on and it stays on all night. And I've been using it for like 2 weeks now and it stays on all night. This is from Hair Isle, but to put my hair in a bonnet, I just pull it all up forward and I put it in the bonnet and I make sure my ties are up here. So then I take them and lay them flat against the band, and then I tie it twice back here. I usually leave this out. Then I bring my ears out. So this is how I usually sleep. I look like a pizza chef. So good night. Everything I use is linked in the description below. Thumbs up this video if it was helpful. Check out more like this on my channel, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.